Hello everyone, welcome to another Keyshot Bitesize tutorial from X03D. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to quickly determine render samples. Now this is a question I often receive from my students or some of my staff or colleagues, and it's very easy to determine. So I've downloaded this model from the Keyshot Cloud library. I'm just going to quickly drag and drop it into our scene, and then I'm going to hit H on the keyboard. This brings up the HUD basically, and it shows you the samples that are currently going on in your shot. I'm going to run the GPU so we can see a bit faster. So you can just hit the GPU button. If you've got a good GPU, then you obviously get a quicker render. Now, what you need to do is use this region. If you haven't got that up, you can right click on the top bar and click on the region, which is somewhere here, region, and basically what you want to do with this is go to the darkest point in your scene. Now this is, as I can see, is somewhere over here, and from here we can see how many samples it needs to make a clean render. Now this is rendering very quick, so let's actually take it off the GPU and see what it looks like on CPU. So we can see there's still noise here, and if we leave it a minute, maybe we'll get up to about 300 samples. So I'm guessing around 300 to 400 samples looks quite clean. You can also add the denoise on there, which does reduce a bit of noise, but it does remove a bit of detail as well. So let's just move to another location and see what 300 samples looks like. 300 looks very clean to me. So what I would now do is come into our render and then just set our maximum samples to 300, and then we know that our image will be clean. But it may take a while, so you can also use the maximum time. If you've only got an hour till your deadline or whatever, you can just come in here and add hour, but beware that it may not hit the 300 samples in that time. We'll have another tutorial to go over the other render settings, but that's the quickest way of determining how to get a quick and clean render. Thank you.